Hello YouTube, Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix the Windows computer shutdown when the USB device is plugged in. So when you try to plug in a mouse or any external device, your computer may shut down. So in order to fix this problem, on this video we are going to see 4 solutions, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution for this video will be changing the port. If your computer is shut down when you try to plug into a specific port, just change the port, which is use another port if the problem will be solved. If the problem still continues, then the second solution for this video will be troubleshooting using the power option. In order to do that, go here, click the search icon and type here troubleshoot. So here the troubleshoot setting, then open it. So after the troubleshooting opened, you will find here additional troubleshooters. Select that and scroll down to the bottom and you will find a power option. Select that power and run the troubleshooter. This would help you detecting the issues related with power. In my case, there is no problem related with power. The troubleshooting has completed and no changes and updates were necessary. In your case, you may find some errors, so follow all the steps that will guide you the troubleshooter and it will help you to fix the problem. So after that, if the troubleshooter cannot identify your problem, then the third solution will be updating the USB root hubs. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom, click the search icon and type device manager. So here it is the device manager, then open it. And on the bottom you'll find universal serial bus controller. So click here the arrow. Then after that you will find here different USB root hubs. So make sure you update each of them. So just here I found only one, so right click on it and select update driver. Then select here search automatically for driver and it's updated. So make sure you update all the similar USB root hubs on your computer. If you find 3, 4, 5, so do the same what I did for this one. So update each of them. Then after that, restart your computer. So after restarting, if the problem still continues, then the final solution for this video will be running a CMD command. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom, click here the search icon and type here CMD. So here the command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator and confirm by selecting yes. So here the CMD, then type here scan now, then press enter. This will help you to check if there is any malfunctioning operating system. So it will help you to fix any problems related with your operating system. So this will help you to fix the problem related with your shutdown. So it takes like 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm not going to apply it on my computer because I'm recording the video and it may take a longer time. So make sure you wait until it will finish the processing. Then after the process completed, close your CMD, then restart your computer. So these are the solutions to fix your Windows computer shutdown when a device or some kind of peripheral device is connected to your PC. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chastek out.